Essentially, Natalie, who are Maria and Diego?
So Maria and Diego are slaves who were on the voyage with Sir Francis Drake. So Maria was a slave woman who was picked up and she became pregnant and stranded on the island of Crabs. And Diego was his manservant, but he wasn't a slave. Diego was something totally separate to Maria. Diego was a servant and never a slave. He was paid.
Is that why Diego had the privilege of having a place named after him?
Yes. Yeah. All right.
And why are they blacked out in the photos?
Because we don't have an actual photo of them. This is just a representation of them. So, like I said, they weren't given a name. All we know is Maria and Diego. So we don't have any records of what happened to them, of anything else. So they didn't even get full name.
And in summation, the story of Maria's pregnancy?
Sorry?
Maria's pregnancy, can you
Maria's pregnancy. So Maria became pregnant, and so she was stranded, heavily pregnant, on the island of Crabs. So whether it was because she wouldn't be able to make the voyage back, or whether it was because she was left there with 2 other Africans to make a colony, we honestly don't know. But the island she was left on wasn't the best island to be left on, and she wasn't left with food or weapons. But the story is unknown. We have no idea about why she was.
Yeah.
So, you remember those 2 pictures we saw of Diego and we saw the other one of Maria?
Yeah.
Can you tell the people what Maria was all about? And Diego. Go on.
So Diego, he was originally a slave. So when he knew that Sir Francis Drake was coming, he was rushing when he saw the British ship, and he made up a story to Drake so that he can come on board and then he'll be a free man. So he did, and he managed to get onto it successfully.
And what do you remember about the drum? Remember
It
we
was
were told
used for
about the drum?
language.
For language? Between the slaves?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
communication.
to warn enemies that they were coming.
Do you know, I think I'll put on my glasses so I can look as cool as you. And what did you learn about the drum?
It was used to make the slaves dance because they were on a board for ages, and then their muscles clamped up, and then they had to move to.
Hey. Yeah! What was the best time for you? What was all of it? Playing.
All of it.
Yeah, what did you learn though today?
I learnt that Sir Francis Drake lived in Buckland Abbey.
I learnt that Sir Francis Drake is a pirate and he travelled the whole world.
I learnt about Diego.
I learned that Sir Francis Drake took slaves.
I learned that Sir Francis Drake did not start off rich.
But
He
ended
started
up
off
rich.
poor. Yeah.
I got to see what clothes they wore.
Did you try them on?
Yeah.
I got to know what Diego did to help Sir Francis Drake.
I learnt that Buckland Abbey was made out of a church.
I learnt that Sir Francis Drake circumnavigated the world.
That's a big word, circumnavigated the world. Alright, thank you guys. Let's go to our taxis.